Hey everyone, I hope you all are good and I'm also good. And what the topic of my video? I hope you all enjoy in previous video. In previous video, we are talking about words and example. We are remembering some words with example. And in today video, we are going to practice some sentences that make our personality good and improve our personality. You have to practice all these sentences in your home. Use mirror and you can sit alone and speak aloud. Let's start our video. Hello everyone, I am NIBHA and I have started my journey of English speaking. I hope you all are enjoying this video, and let's go to the topic. Well, you are beginner too. I am also a beginner. When you are going to try to make your English good and practice your English, you feel demotivated and not confidence in yourself. That's why you have to firstly speak 3 sentences that I'm going to talk about. You have to say your name. Firstly, just I'm speaking these 3 sentences. You have to repeat after me. My name is NIBHA. I speak clearly. I speak confidently. My name is NIBHA. I speak clearly. I speak confidently. You have to repeat 3 sentences 3 times and speak aloud, because when you speak aloud, you feel clear. Your voice is clear and your confidence is boost up, and your pronunciation also becoming good, and you also feel good. That's why I'm saying to you, you have to speak aloud. I will working on myself and I will stay consistent. And let's talk about, I will taking some sentences. First is, how's everything going? How's everything going? हम लोग किसी से पूछते हैं कि कैसा चल रहा है सब, तब देन वी हैव टू स्पीक दिस सेंटेंस, हाउस एवरीथिंग गोइंग, हाउस एवरीथिंग गोइंग. एंड सेकेंड इज, व्हाट हैव यू बीन अप टू, व्हाट हैव यू बीन अप टू. when we are speaking to someone, तो हम लोग अगर किसी से पूछते हैं कि तुम क्या कर रहे थे अभी तक, then we have to speak this sentence, what have you been up to, what have you been up to. And third is, long time no see, long time no see. when we are seeing a person, अगर हम लोग किसी अपने फ्रेंड को बहुत दिनों बाद मिलते हैं, और then we say that long time no see. And fourth is, how did that go, how did that go. कैसा चल रहा है सब, तब हम लोग किसी से पूछते हैं अपने फ्रेंड से ये सब चीज़ कैसा चल रहा है, तो देन वी हैव टू से लाइक दिस, हाउ डिड दैट गो. एंड फिफ्थ इज, एनी प्लान फॉर द वीकेंड, एनी प्लान्स फॉर द वीकेंड, एनी प्लान्स फॉर द वीकेंड. हमें किसी से पूछना होता है कि इस वीकेंड कोई प्लान है कहीं जाने का, देन वी हैव टू से लाइक दिस, एनी प्लान्स फॉर द वीकेंड, any plans for the weekend. And the last one is, same old same old, same old same old. मीन्स कि अगर कोई फ्रेंड आपसे पूछता है कि कैसा चल रहा है सब, तो आप बोलते हैं वहीं पुराना ही चल रहा है जैसा चल रहा है. देन वी हैव टू से दिस सेंटेंस, सेम ओल्ड सेम ओल्ड. I hope you all like these sentences. Please use all these sentences in daily life, and you have to practice these aloud. And thank you so much watching my video. Thank you so much. Thank you.